fix me, but I ran out of time.
They saw.
They know. There's no denying it now. This is what I am, Ruby.
No.
You knew I was a mistake from the very start. Do what you should have done a long time ago, before I destroyed what I swore to protect. Please, do it! Don't leave! Don't leave! I can still fix it!
And the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.